Hello guys, what I want to show you today is how you can make a joint account on Revolut, okay? Now this is going to be very useful if you are, for example, a parent that wants to manage your, kids account, or if you, for example, are a couple, okay, and you want to have kind of a common account, okay? So this is, what a joint account is going to be, okay? It's going to be like an account for two people, okay? And then they can kind of manage the money together, okay? So we are inside of the mobile app here in the main menu, in the home menu. And now you just want to press on accounts, okay, which is at the very top here. Okay, so you just want to press on, accounts here. And now you want to press on add new, okay? And now you basically want to go to this join menu and you want to click on join account, okay? Now I'm actually not going to be able to do this, okay, because I don't have an active account, okay? I've been like off Revolut for some months now, but you're going to be able to do this, as long as you have an active account, okay? Now you just have to fill this questionnaire here, and that's pretty much it. You're now going to have a join new account inside of Revolut, okay? Thank you so much, guys.